Baxter here with Fairway Independent Mortgage, and I want to give you a quick market update with what's happening this week with the markets and specifically mortgage rates. We had a lot of news this week, and one of the biggies was today, Friday morning, inflation numbers came out hotter than expected. In other words, higher inflation than what we expected, and the markets responded. The stock market's down today. Overall, the stock market did reasonably well this week. But today it's down because inflation can be a problem for economic growth. If inflation gets too high, the markets don't like it because it can affect the economy. It can put the economy, it can cause the economy to struggle a little bit. So that's part of why the stock market's down. But overall, with the stock market up, what we see is that as people put more money into stocks, they pull that money out of more stable investments like bonds. Bonds back mortgages, long-term bonds. And as the demand pulls out of bonds, that causes mortgage rates to go up. And we've seen that this week, that mortgage rates have gone up slightly this week. Not too bad, just a little bit. And rates fluctuate from day to day, just like the stock market. So we could see fluctuations where rates improve next week a little bit or get worse, but overall slightly up. And the other big piece of news this week was that the Fed came out with their policy statement from their last meeting, and they basically announced that they're going to remain steadfast in their efforts to increase interest rates, and they're basically telegraphing that they're going to increase rates in December, probably by 0.25%. Now, this does not mean that necessarily mortgage rates are going to go up by 0.25%. It's not a direct correlation, because when the Fed raises rates, they're raising short-term rates, not long-term rates that mortgages are tied to. So we don't necessarily see that mortgages go up when the Fed raises rates. However, prognosticators are predicting that rates will continue to go up heading into 2019. So now is the time to get in if you're looking to buy a house or refinance while rates are still reasonable, while rates are still low. So give us a call in the office if you have any questions, if you're curious what you might qualify for or what your payment might look like. We can help you out with that. We're always there for you. Once again, my name is RJ Baxter, Fairway Independent Mortgage. I appreciate you watching the video today. Have a great rest of the day.